Honest review, Fontaine Pajot Catamaran.
But it feels like it's a laminate which would just come apart.
Maybe just for mica. I mean, this looks pretty, but
It would clack every time the boat moved.
that's gonna be a problem.
After repairing 2 of Reboot's 4 big windows, I'm not sure I love all these huge windows. The primary head is pretty good though. Lots of storage, tons of headroom, bright and airy. Yes. Okay, here comes one of my biggest pet peeves, partially obstructed hatch. Me no likey. I'd never use this desk because it has no view and I get seasick while underway.
The windows on the back.
That's wonderful. And there's a hatch
Yep.
to give you cross ventilation, and there's a hatch there. That's really nice. They did a good job with this.
Except there's no plugs on this side. That's no
They can
point.
make the bed so much easier here. I'd say good.
Where's the skip?
Under the stairs, I think. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Not as nice for looking at things, but still there. That's the same hatch we have. And then they still have the slider for the privacy. 6'4" clears it.
You sit out here. Good.
Oh, that's a drop-down fridge.
Yeah, it's more efficient because the cold stays down.
And then you have a regular fridge here, though. This is the one I was going to put in the boat before we decided to just leave it like it is, the isotherm. You can see all 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plenty of headroom. I can see the sail. What am I looking at? The sun benches.
Monitors.
Yeah.
See you out there.